Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at Lunacy Ali University of Leadership in Algeria. Today we're going to present our third lecture titled What is Financial Audit? So I have divided my third lecture into the following elements as follows. What is financial audit? Why is financial audit performed? Language activities, including your building vocabulary, and finally your assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is financial audit? Financial audit is a thorough, detailed examination of a company's financial statements and accounts. Why is a financial audit performed? Organizations conduct an internal audit to ensure accurate financial and proper expenditures. During the audit, the organization looks at its records to ensure everything adds up literally. Language activities, the word auditing or the verb to audit something to officially examine the financial accounts of a company. For example, we have just had our accounts audited. Last element, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment. So including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.